Number 2. GoPro Hero 12 Black. If you're in the market for an action camera that delivers top-notch image quality and stabilization, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is the one for you. The high dynamic range feature sets this camera apart, capturing vivid details in both shadows and bright light for dynamic footage that looks true to life. The 5.3K video and 27 megapixels photos ensure that every shot is crisp and stunning, giving you incredible image quality for your vlogs. The Emmy Award-winning HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization is a game-changer, providing silky smooth footage even in the shakiest of situations. Whether you're biking, skiing, or running after your kids, this camera will keep your footage steady and professional-looking. And with its rugged and waterproof design, you can take the Hero 12 Black on any adventure without worrying about damaging it. One of the standout features of this camera is the ability to capture still photos from your videos using the GoPro Quick app, allowing you to get the perfect shot every time. Additionally, the water-repelling lens cover helps to eliminate lens flare and other artifacts, ensuring that your photos and videos are always stunning. The only downside to this camera is the price tag, but when you consider all the features and capabilities it offers, it's definitely worth the investment. Overall, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is the best action camera for vlogging, delivering unmatched image quality, stabilization, and durability in one sleek package. Check it out for yourself and take your vlogs to the next level. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.